Welcome to Minexa.ai, where scraping corporate job listings from doda.jp is simple and automatic. We handle all technical challenges behind the scenes so you can get clean data fast. Open the doda.jp page with the corporate job listings you want to scrape. Minexa.ai builds the scraper automatically from this single starting page. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. It begins reading the page immediately once launched. Press the purple button saying, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa.ai can detect how the corporate job listings load, including pagination or dynamic content. Minexa.ai detected how results are split across pages and will automatically handle navigation so no data is missed. Decide whether you want to scrape just the job listings or click into each row for more detailed information. Click Continue for standard pages. Use Advanced mode if the site requires clicks, filters, or interactions before data appears. Minexa.ai highlights the detected HTML container holding all corporate job listings so you don't need to set up fields manually. Minexa.ai has now identified all relevant columns such as company name, job title, location, and application deadline, keeping them consistent across every run. Developers can click the API request button to get Python code for either quick field extraction or full-page content scraping, depending on their needs. Validate and complete the configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to prepare the scraper for manual exports or API calls. Minexa.ai has detected the Next Page button automatically, so you can continue without missing any results or skip if no pagination applies. Validate the scraping job and optionally pick a schedule, so Minexa.ai reruns it automatically to keep your corporate job listing data fresh. Press Run. Results return as structured rows with fields like company name, job title, location, and dates locked precisely to page elements, ensuring consistent and accurate data every time. Here you see the extracted corporate job listings with consistent columns for company name, job title, job location, and application deadlines. Missing fields appear blank, not guessed, ensuring reliable data for your analysis. Export your data to Excel or JSON formats. Both keep your data structure intact, so it works seamlessly in your reports or systems. Start with Minexa.ai and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual rerunning or intervention.